Hello guys. Good morning. Good morning. Looks better. Okay guys, how's your morning? How are you? How's your what's the day it was? Yeah, it was Thursday yesterday. Yeah. How was your first day? Because when I decided not to stream, price action even worse. I mean where's Thursday? Brilliant, right? Never saw such a nice price action yet, like we got yesterday. Even in this chap, I got 2 million trade. I don't know how it's possible because I'm queen of shit price action. Probably. So, yeah, I shorted from here to here. I longed from here, not from here to here. So, I have no idea what will happen today, but let's talk about potential plan. So, if it manages to stay inside this 30-minute fair value gap, fresh cash, right? Yeah, let's see. So, if it manages to stay inside this 30-minute fair value gap and will offer 30-minute sweep, I will short. I will look for short at least. So, this means I would like to see sweep inside this 30-minute fair value gap, like here or here, and I will short all the way down to new week opening gap or weekly inversion fair value gap. Where's my 5-minute chart? Or a new week, weekly fair value gap, inversion fair value gap. Oh, I got it. That's why. That's why I cannot see this on 30-minute chart. So Asia kill zone. I'm not going to talk about session. I'm going to talk about kill zone. So Asia kill zone starts at 8 p.m. and ends New York midnight. New York time, obviously. So you said daily fair value gap 5. Yeah, it works. So I would say if it wants to drop, I will look for the drop right here, like somewhere right here. Like weekly inversion fair value gap, maybe even previous week low level. But as I said, preferably, I would like to see 30-minute sweep inside 30-minute fair value gap. Not going to add. And then if it may get the sweep, I will try. I will try to short. Otherwise, I don't know. Guys, what is your plan? I see we got 52%. 51% people said we're going lower. Just look at current chart. I probably want to agree with you just for now. But on the short 30-minute sweep, that's it. That's my plan. At least clear structure on medium time frame. Hourly fair value gap, 30-minute fair value gap. It's still same fair value gap. So short from 30-minute fair value gap. It's huge, like liquidity void, right? But only from this fair value gap, I will be interested in shorts in this market. The test of previous day low level, by the way, I deleted. Oh yeah, that works. Basically inside this 30-minute fair value gap. Works for me. 50%? Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Once again, lines up with previous day low level. Agree with you then. Let's see if we get some setup somewhere right here. If it wants to continue going lower. What do you think about this? What is your plan? Oh, I don't need MNQ. I need ES. So yes, trying to respect new week opening gap. Basically weekly open. So we completely balanced for our fair value gap. That's why it's trying to give us reaction. I hope it's going to be just a retracement, but I'm not going to say for sure because I don't know. Yeah. So from this high to this low, would like to highlight OT to see where is discount, where is premium. Oh, too bright. Not that bright. Darker. Perfect. So 50% of this leg down is right there, which is, I would say, seems like lines up with nothing, with 30-minute fair value gap, right? Or, oh, that's why. I see I don't have, that's why. Lines up with 50% of hourly fair value gap. My bad. Did not see this. Going back down to OT, you mean like we're going higher like this, then we're tracing down to OT, something like this? I mean, that's fine. I would say that even works for me. Same OT. Where is high? High to low. Yes, yeah, seems like. So probable idea is, as you can see, 50% of this leg down on high time frame lines up with previous day low level, top of hourly fair value gap. Maybe something like this if it wants to respect 30-minute fair value gap. Oh, just regular sweep, 30-minute on 30-minute chart. Just 1 hour to I guess it will take so much time. On medium time frame, 15-minute or 30-minute makes more sense. Probably, ideally, want to wait for 30-minute. Let's see. So I don't want to predict, Maybe we'll see how it goes. TJ, oh, thank you for reminding me. I forgot about it's Friday today. So we inside TJF, guys. Dasha, what's wrong with you? We inside TJF, already got TJF. As you can see, ES and Q just touched 20%, and Q even like 25%. Yeah, I like it. 50% of this big move down lines up with 30%. Yeah, seems nice. So let's see how we can respect TJF bugs first. I mean, I do like how 30% of weekly range lines up with 50%. So let's see. Guys, do we have any news today? Did not check this. Yes, at 10. Okay. Is that it's like medium packed, right? It's not that important. New home sales. Well, okay. Yeah, I saw news about tariffs. So new trade war again. This means market's ready to drop? Finally? Or what? Honestly, I hope so. I mean, yeah, I know it's bad news, but for day traders, at least for me, easier to short market. So you just joined, Michael, right? So I'm looking for a 30-minute sweep inside 30-minute fair value gap or something like this to short. So yeah, if it wants to respect this area, I will short. I will short to weekly inversion fair value gap. What is your plan? I mean, yeah, equal highs is nice, but considering news, is it possible to pump? Just logically. Just hard to say, right? Yeah, definitely I saw this equal highs. Just trying to think logically in terms of news. That's why like it's a bit tricky. More tricky right now. You don't have any draw. Okay. Yeah, I also do like old week opening gap. Exactly. That's what level I would like to aim for on ES. So maybe at this point it makes sense to wait for 10. Because right now we inside TJF, we inside 30-minute fair value gap, we inside hourly fair value gap. Interesting if it wants to give us reaction, right? So don't really mind to see potential short as continuation lower to weekly inversion fair value gap. We have once on a yes, I would like to see old gap from last week. If we get this, so I don't really mind, but honestly would like to see slightly higher as well first. So trying to be patient right now. Yesterday, I didn't want to trade at all. And I was working on my video and I decided like, okay, I'm going to set alarm at 10. Not going to even look at charts. I will see if it wants to offer this 2-minute model. If so, I will just try. And yes, I tried because it offered. I was ready to lose, honestly, because it was chop. But it played out, so just I noticed it's not bad, but I noticed like last 2 weeks, every single IM session is consolidation. Last 4 weeks, every single IM session is seek and destroy. So is it annoying? I would say yes. So guys, just trying to be patient right now. Let's see if it might give us reaction from 30-minute fair value gap first. So you said buy, please. I mean, if you see setup for long, obviously take this long. I'm not going to stop you from taking any trades. I'm just trying to be patient and waiting for my setup. That's it. That's it. Mm, 887. Oh, we got small volume imbalance. Okay, right now I'm just watching if it may offer 30-minute sweep. 755, okay. Which inversion? Both inside hourly fair value gap. I do like this. The question if it wants to offer structure for me. I don't really want to trade before 10, but let's see. We set lower time frame buy side. Going to trade today funded next features account, by the way. Let's see. Going to execute on this account. Okay. I mean, I'm not saying like it cannot go higher. I just trying to be patient. Just feels like we still have room to go lower, and considering news, hard to trust like huge reversal to upside, honestly. But once again, if you see setup, I cannot stop you from taking any trades because definitely I can be wrong. just take your setup, take your model, trust your model. First presented, exactly, forgot about this. So as far as I know, I can use first presented fair value gap at 9:30 a.m. Oops. Why did they highlight it? Oh, come on, Dasha. What are you doing? So, let's see. We just inverted first presented fair value gap. 56.40. I do like. Let me did my pre-market plan. Don't remember what level I highlighted. 56.80. But 40 also possible. So 80 will fill the old cap. I am blind with my left eye. I need to wear glasses, unfortunately. So yes, new week opening guess seems obvious level. It left equal highs yesterday, 2 days ago as well. So never came back to this equal highs from yesterday and 2 days ago once again. So probably I will leave it alone. Like if it doesn't want to retrace to equal highs, it's fine. Just if it wants to offer structure for us in the near future, that's amazing then. Well, where is 9 a.m. open? Absolutely brilliant reaction so far from from TGF. You short from first presented fair value gap. It's fine. So it's about to be 950 macro and it's okay. Don't worry about it. And waiting for 10 a.m. news. I think it will just drop without us. Let's see. So everything is possible. Yeah, Michael, it's still early, a bit early to trade because we have news at 10. We are going to get new power of 3 soon. Open, high, low, close. So let's see. Really, if I want to look for short, I probably would like to see 10 a.m. open, price trading above, and offer structure. If it can offer the structure, I don't really mind to try. Once again, I'm going to trade funded next futures to the account. Not going to touch Apex accounts, just one prop firm to trade. We hit 50% of 15, like lower. Okay. Just overall move down. Consider move down from this high to this low, 50% right at previous day low level. But as you said, we already reached 50% of leg right there. Not really. Well, you're gonna enjoy it. It's Friday, so yeah, of course you can enjoy your day. So I personally trade with funded next futures, and if guys, I'm going to be honest, if I don't like them, I'm going to say this clearly. But I don't have any issue. That's why I'm going to say I do trade with them, and yes, I'm going to say like nothing wrong with them. So overall, from 30-minute fair value gap, bearish fair value gap, if NQ can stay inside this level, I will look for short. Just since we have 10 a.m. news, probably they will manipulate first. That's why I don't want to be like first seller right now. Just prefer to probably wait for news came out and then we'll give it a try. Just I feel like I'm going to be a bit early if I'm going to try to short right now. I'm not saying like it cannot play out. Just feel like this. New home sales. It's orange folder news. Not that important, but still will offer volatility. Just be careful with this. You said 5-minute inversion. You mean inversion right there? Or are you looking for bearish inversion? Nice test of first presented fair value gap just for now. Basically, we did trace again. We don't have any 3-minute order blocks or 2-minute order blocks to trade bearish inversion. Okay, I got it. Still too early, right? We don't have it. So I believe a bit early, just for me personally, to short this. And 5-minute chart did not offer inversion yet. I see some volatility right now. What is going on? But overall, as long as we stay inside this 30-minute fair value gap, would like to get a good structure to continue move lower. You know, when we got huge move down, retracement, I never trust 1-minute chart. I mean, 1-minute chart is noise at this point, just for me personally. I'm not going to consider 1-minute chart as point of reversal. I mean, order block on 1-minute chart is point of reversal or something like this. Yeah, I can watch first presented fair value gap reaction, but once again, after huge move down and retracement, I never trust 1-minute chart. It's always tricky. Always. Even like right now, we inverted first presented fair value gap, right? So yes, I'm going to keep my eyes on first presented fair value gap, but I'm not going to trade from this first presented fair value gap yet. Trump speaking right now? Okay. Just would like to get structure to continue move down to inversion. So if we may get structure, preferably 30-minute sweep as I said before. So like this, or it's going to continue going higher first. For example, 10 a.m. news will deliver as higher, but then like this. So overall, kind of would like to see lower still. Just feels like I'm not ready to be first seller yet. Nice reaction for first presented fair value gap. You were long, but I moved my stop loss to entry. Oh, it weak your. Yeah, this happens. Yeah, I'm going to relax, chill right now. At least nothing significant happened yet. Waiting for 5-minute structure to confirm continuation lower. That's pretty much it. I entered short yesterday as well. Actually, my entry wasn't bad, but it was choppy. So I got 80 points yesterday on short, and I was in this trade like felt like forever because it was chop, simply to drop. And I was aiming for just 2R, so I wasn't aiming. Yeah, I was trying to aim for liquidity levels previously low, for example, but I decided to take 2R and go away because I saw this chop. I didn't want to sit in this trade forever. And after I closed my trade for 2R, I traced back up to my entry, and I was perfect consolidation. And even after this, it continued consolidating until like 4. This means I entered the trade around like 10:06, 10:08, and I had to sit in this trade for 6 hours to simply get not 80 points, but like 120 points. So I decided, no. Happy, Dasha. Happy for you. You closed this trade. You did good. You did nice. You did great. Once I'm going to be in trade, I will show you. So I'm not in trade right now. Where's my ninja? So I will just switch trading ninja trader, and I will show you. Just not in trade, as you can see. So nothing to show yet. Nothing to review yet. At least for now. But guys, agree with me that best setups this week, last week was 10 p.m. session. Almost every single day offered perfect setup after 1 p.m. And IM session since like 9:30 until 12 was just consolidation. Brilliant price action. Price waiting for 10? Probably. Yes, probably. But not going to lie, yesterday I didn't want to trade at all. Oh, okay, yeah, of course. Yes, I took to trade yesterday. It was 10 a.m. setup and 1 p.m. setup. Both offered exactly the same setup with exactly same 2R, exactly same target 2R. And funny to say, both setup I never was in drawdown. Never seen it. Yes. I'm from Belarus. It's Russian accent. Yeah, by the way, guys, on Monday, bank holiday, so market is not going to work at all. So enjoy your day, study, learn something useful. Yeah, I got it. Review. Okay, I got it. So the question is if they want to like finish the business today before a big weekend, or they do this, let's say, on Tuesday. Because this happens sometimes. It's open until 1 p.m. Okay. Okay, that's nice. Then I'm not going to trade on Monday 100%. Because I'm going to be with my kids. I have no choice, unfortunately. But I hope it's not going to be something interesting. I hope, because I'm going to miss this. Give me 1 second. So I hope I'm not going to miss anything on Monday. But I'm going to be with my kids. Unfortunately. Yeah. When you have 2 kids, especially 2 boys, that's amazing. Unfortunately is my favorite word. Oh, it's hot, by the way. It's so hot. In Florida. So far nothing is going on. Probably. Oh, it's 10. So you want to tell me 10 didn't do anything? What? It's not even funny, but focusing right now on price action. So we got hourly open right there. So price still stuck. So doesn't want to expand higher, doesn't want to expand lower. Chappy, yes, unfortunately. That's the reason why these keys do make so much from what? Yeah, you remember my tweet like why all teenagers are rich, but I am not. I never understood this. Painful. So it's okay. One day we will learn how to be good force and we'll do this as well. So, but one day, not today. Anyway, let's see. First stuck at 10 a.m. open so far. First present free value gap. Doesn't want to do anything yet. Yeah, like where's classic 10 a.m. silver bullet? What happened to this? Painful, right? Painful. How to trade? I mean, I don't recommend to trade any models without bias. Because if you don't understand where market is going, probably you're going to be trapped. Because that's not great practice. Simply trade without even understanding where we are going. Even if I can see A plus setup for long, but I clearly can see draw is lower, probably I'm not going to take. Probably I'm not going to take long. You can build army of traders with your kids. I have two. That's enough. Yeah, like chill today. Maybe it's going to be like just light conversation. If it's going to be consolidated next, I would say 50 minutes. Uh, are you good? Yeah, I mean, I'm fine. Yeah, I do like to see old new week opening gap today. That's my plan as well. When Apex will make 90% off, I don't know. Previous RSC, not really, no, you don't need this. So I have a couple of videos about how to build intraday bias. It even calls like intraday bias. So you can go on my YouTube channel, you will find this. You look like 1820. I appreciate to see this. I appreciate to see this. But unfortunately, I finished my school like almost 10 years ago. 10 years ago. Yeah. That's crazy. 10, yeah. Even maybe more. That's crazy. So I like how trying to trade above 10 a.m. open so far. We reclaimed first presented fair value gap. The question is, any teenagers here? I know. So the question is if we go to previous day low level, simply to retest. If not, like, okay, maybe not previous day low level, at least this part, like near 50%, and then short. Yeah, TJF blue boxes on my screen right now is TJF boxes. Not today. I mean, okay, let's get the structure first. Pretty much happy so far. Considering USV actually can drop today. If you trade CL, you can trade Twins model. It works every day there. CL oil. This week is over. Yeah, especially Monday's holiday. I'm not going to sit for a long time. I know I'm not going to trade PM session today. I will wait for idea to trade. I'm sitting here to forward test my model, and that's why I'm waiting for a 2-minute order block and trading above 10 a.m. open. If I get this, so I will be happy to try this. Something like this. Maybe not that high, but let's see. When ICT book will go out, you can ask directly on his X account. So just comment. I don't know. He said, I guess winter 2025, but I can be wrong. I don't know. But guys, I hope no one blew your accounts in this chat, because I would say market really trains our patience recently, right? So because it's simply consolidating the entire AM session to offer a clean setup during PM session, and our task is to survive. Almost. You want to see Asia high? Why don't I have Asia high? I do have London high. Not going to talk about this yet. It's so choppy right now. Just feels like this. I'm not going to treat PM session. I'm going to lock everything after the stream. That's it. I just know probably it's going to be a chap as well, because it's going to be long weekend. If it's not going to be chap, I'm not going to trade as well. Yeah. Best moves happens in PM session or pre-market. Unfortunately. I would like to see weekly inversion. So your level 586 is okay to me. But what's going on, guys? Like, every single AM session is job. Like, what is going on? I'm not saying it's not tradable, because lots of people can trade this. It's just kind of hard to frame setups in this job. And sometimes you just sitting in this job, like not a trade, just watching this job for hours, and you're just simply tired to watching this, and you cannot even see setups because of this. Because my eyes already cannot focus at all. So I completed video, so I'm going to pause this this weekend. I hope so. I did not trade CL today, but I do trade this as well as I trade oil. When I trade consolidation, 99% of the time I lost. Unfortunately. This one? Mm-hmm. Consolidation examples. I mean, I included this as a place where I don't want to trade. So basically, yes, I included places where I don't want to take this setup. So if you're talking about where we should avoid, yes, I included consolidation. So yeah. Guys, who can say or tell us SMT, what instrument we should use for CL to find SMT? Because I saw different ideas, always hard to say for sure. RB, okay, RB, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, got it. Can you send me screenshot about issue with TradingView and TradeAway? Because I was looking on TradeAway today, I did not have any issue, but probably they're working on something. Just send me, I will check this for you. Yeah, best setups happens pre-market and PM session. After, hard to recommend something because every single person is different. I don't know what I want to recommend you, honestly. So I do like to see once again somewhere what it was. What it was. We're going to 50%. And if we stay inside this fair value gap, look for possible retracement down. Okay. Thank you, Rose. What should I say about CL oil? What do you want to hear from me? Oh, you would like... Okay, since we are waiting still. Since we are waiting still. Before this, I had like more yellow colors for background, but my eyes started to hurt so much, and I decided to change background color to gray. Maybe it's not going to be so painful for my for my eyes. I cannot say it's like not tradable because it's actually tradable, just not for everyone. Because let's be honest, not every single ICT trader can trade consolidation. True story. So most ICT traders trying to stay away from consolidation. Personally, I lost a lot in consolidation, so prefer to stay away, waiting for break above below consolidation to frame my setups. Spread is huge. Cannot help you with this because I don't know. How big range so far? 100 points? Okay. It did not look like huge range before. Where's my price range? Here we are. Give me 1 second. Seriously? It was 150 points move? Yeah, 150 points, that's a lot. Agree with me, it doesn't look like 150 points. Right there. I was pretty sure it was small range. Well, question is if we like go to 50%, retrace down right there. like back to OT as we initially discussed. So from OT to OT of the small range, like 62%. Oops. Not going to look for a big sell off. Like if I may go to previously low level or 50%, so can we retrace back to not 50%, but OT, so somewhere right there. Still inside TJF, by the way. Or we don't have SMC, but still inside TJF, or it's going to be like current sync high is right there. If it wants to offer order block, the question is if may get short. So idea will be we closing below this blue line. I'm not entirely sure because I cannot say if this high is in or not yet because structure not confirmed. But considering what we have so far, not even 2R. Maybe something like this. What do you think, guys? If it may close below blue line only, that's where I will be interested in shorting. What do you think? Yeah, proper confirmation will be, in my humble opinion, order block at least. You want to see 200 level first. So basically, you want to see New York midnight open. I got it. We don't have confirmation to short this yet, at least. That's what I'm looking for right now. I cannot say for sure if it's going to be happen because I don't know. I will look for, I will only look for conservative targets. Why? Because it's Friday. So if may close below this blue line, I may actually validate idea to short. 57 point stop loss. So probably I will trade like 3-4 micros. If may get this, so will not risk a lot today. With displacement, yes. Yeah, let's see. We done today. We will see. Equal highs. Yeah, we have equal highs higher. I'm not going to say it will not happen because everything is possible. What I'm looking at right now, just retracing back to discount. That's it. So discount will be right inside this 2-minute FG, which is right there. Green. That's my just plan, so I don't know if it's going to work or not, but this is what I see so far. Yes. It's almost 2R, so cannot make this bigger because I would like to aim for this fair value gap. Cannot reduce stop loss, so it's 1.9. So not 2R, but I cannot make this bigger once again. Oops. We still don't have order block, so we still don't have the closure below blue line yet. But honestly, would like to see the action from hourly fair value gap. Would like to see the action from 30-minute fair value gap. Let's see. it looks like good setup. The question if it's going to play out. First, we need to get the closure to try this. I will probably I will probably just aim for this back to discount, and that's it. But first, preferably, we need to get closure, which will validate order block. God we trust. I don't trust anything and anyone anymore. That's crazy recently. Oh, today I'm going to trade funded next futures. I'm not going to trade APEX accounts. Well and well again. So we got the closure. Let's wait for small retracement to see what we have. We got first confirmation. We retrace back to order block. We got 2-minute inversion. Not in yet. We got BPR. So looking at if we may get displacement to jump the trade. We got 3-minute order block as well. Yeah, we got this. Do we have 5-minute one? Not yet. So trying to be patient right now. Trying to respect BPR, so I'm not in trade yet. Looking for entry just for now. Trying to respect. Yeah, I will give it a try. Just waiting for displacement to enter the trade. Also watching 1-minute chart on my Ninja Trader to see how we can respect inversion fair value gap on 1-minute chart. I'm trying to be patient right now. So as you can see, 1-minute chart right there. So we got BPR, like small BPR. We got breaker block. We got propulsion block right there. So I'm watching how we can respect this. So we'll enter at displacement and aim for fair value gap. Displacement is important to have. Also, you know what I like so far? It's about to offer sweep. So we will find out in 7 minutes. But if it's going to offer sweep, it's going to be solid, in my opinion. So looking at ES right now, we got interesting displacement from first presented fair value gap again. So trying to be patient, so I'm not going to take stupid trades. Displacement, I will jump. 5-minute chart. By the way, on 5-minute chart, seems like it failed to offer order block. That's not good sign. Watching on 5-minute chart just for now. As you can see, on 5-minute chart, it failed. You want to see 20K, 21K first? I mean, possible. So I'm trying to be patient right now. So on 5-minute chart, we still don't have order block, but seems like we got order block on ES. Yeah, that's why I'm not in yet, because I would like to get proper displacement to downside to enter the trade. A bit choppy so far. Also, as you can see, we're trying to respect first presented fair value gap. Because, we're trading 2-minute model in direction of the trend. Not simply because it created order block, but in the direction of trends. That's why we cannot blindly trust 1-minute chart and 2-minute chart for reversal, right? Just watching for the trend first. Unfortunately, it did not displace, so I will give it more time to displace if it wants to drop. We're going lower. Guys, let's get proper structure for this yet. Interesting to see because ES actually offered order block, while in Q failed. Not really can consider this as SMT, I guess. I guess direction of the trend bullish simply because we're still in discount of this huge move down. So of the Zillion range, if I want to consider OT, like 50%. We're still in discount. Probably that's why it's still not ready to drop. That's why, I don't want to like blindly trust any models in discount. I mean, that's why I said I want to trade 2-minute model in the direction of the trend. For example, yesterday we took equilibrium of previous range after big range before, right? Big range day before, and also it offered daily immediate rebalance, which made sense to retrace. From what I see so far, we're still inside hourly fair value gap, 30-minute fair value gap, and TJF, but still in discount. That's only my concern, I would say. Let me delete this for now. Yeah. Watching 3-minute chart right now. So cheap on 3-minute chart. I am only scared of possible consolidation until the rest of the day because I know I'm not going to waste my time for a PM session. Long weekend, and probably it's going to be just consolidation until lunch, like 100%, if it's not going to drop next 15 minutes. Watching this is still trying to hold 2-minute order block. As you can see, we did not close above the swing high, which still makes this order block valid, but honestly, don't really like this overall. And not trades yet. I'm watching for. I was watching for potential drop, so I wanted to see. Oops, give me 1 second. Like this, but a bit choppy so far. On daily, I have high time frame open on my chart, so we just touch daily fair value gap, right? Yes, trying to respect 5-minute bearish OB, as well as trying to respect 2-minute bearish order block. Waiting for displacement to validate short. Otherwise, will not take anything. It didn't take the high, which means it offered failure swing, right? So far. Oh, guys. What's wrong with this market? Why it's so slow? Why it's constant consolidation? Why? We got 30-minute sweep. That's great. So we got 3-minute order block. We got 30-minute sweep. That's initially what I was watching. Let's displace lower so to trade this move down. So like this. You're trying to. I do like to see lower, honestly, but I'm not going to lie. Seems so ugly. Unfortunately. Or just me, guys. So we got 30-minute sweep right there, as you can see. Yeah. Once we can get displacement to downside, I can short. I will not see the problem with it. But so far, bad setup exactly. Just all I'm not going to waste my time after 11. I love this chap. Yeah, displacement at least will offer validation of move lower back to discount. That's fine. Also, we got 3-minute order block, which I do like right there. Especially, I'm pretty confident if it wants to right now displace below this. Not right now. If it can displace below this level, should drop immediately. But from what I see so far, someone hates me right now. I didn't see this. I mean, I don't care. We try. Yeah, we have equal highs higher. Just choppy right now. So I will look if it wants to like retrace, but first, once again, we're still in this kind of big range. But if it wants to, like, for example, retrace, we look for this retracing back to discount of this range. So we have a value gap right there. We have OT. That's why. We already have TGF, so we will not see another TGF probably. So this blue box is already TGF. Yeah, I mean, that's why no one is short in this market, but it's still choppy, so. So basically, TGF is retracement to 20 or 30% of current weekly range. That's it. I'm going to pull projections right now to see where we can actually go if it wants to be a second stage of accumulation. Forced deviation lines up with New York midnight open, and forced deviation lines up with equal highs. That's interesting. Coincident? I don't think so. Honestly, I don't think we will drop a lot today, like today, as well, because it's Friday. But what I want to see, oops, guys, sorry, price tracing down to discount, at least. Maybe. But I like how forced deviation lines up with New York midnight open, which is equal highs as well. Like 4 p.m. Recently we dropped at 4 p.m. like a lot. It's like, chop for hours and drop for 5 minutes within 5 minutes. I hate to be in front of my screen for hours, so I prefer to be done until 11 and just close my charts. If nothing is going on until 11, I simply close my chart until 1 p.m. and come back at 1 p.m. to trade next 1 hour. So from 1 to 2, that's it. Don't want to waste my life on these charts, honestly. You can delete TradingView at 11. Maybe that's a great idea. Oh, 40. I mean, 045 is 2.5 standard deviation, previous day low there. So I'm not going to. Don't delete PM. Will Black Friday. Will be Black Friday. I mean, I'm not going to trade PM. Probably I'm not going to execute AM session as well. So second day, it's not a second Asia session. Another day. Yeah, you're right. It's like another day of sharpness to drop or pump in PM session. You'll download this again at 11:02. Probably. I never was thinking about deleting TradingView. That's a brilliant idea. Fair value. Can you please send me a message? I don't want to discuss this right there, but I can help you if you want. We'll try to help you. Just send me a DM on X. Initially, I was looking for short, but only with displacement below this swing low. It never displays, so I'm not going to touch this. Just need to break this range up or down first. I didn't take lots of trades this month. Really like few trades only. I was red last week and 2 weeks ago. Like just ended up being red 2 weeks in a row. This week is green so far, but my win rate is horrible this month, so I'm not going to lie. So we got minor SMT. Yesterday I wanted to see this drop yesterday when I was trying to short, I was so confident we will drop like we dropped this morning. So in reality, it's simply consolidating. And I was thinking like, really, if price was wanted to drop, it's already dropped, but it never dropped. It was simply consolidation. Similar to what we have for now, just overall consolidation. The question is it trying to slowly going higher to drop fast during PM session, but I'm not going to participate in this? Or what? What we trying to do? I don't know. Yeah. I didn't want to steam today as well. I was anticipating to get job, but since decided to steam, need to do something with trading. Finding it up to trade something. Of course, when I decided to steam, they started chap like consolidation, chap fast. Love it. Why IM session looks like I have no idea. Who can tell us? I don't know. It's just painful. For some reason, this really trying to hold 2-minute order block so far. 30-minute sweep. Sometimes I do trade lunch, but normally I'm trying to stay away from like I need some break for after IM session, and since IM session was recently hard, I cannot say it's not tradable, just hard recently. I decided to just turn off my computer until 1 and come back for PM session. So that's best idea. It's fully untradeable. Hard to say it's untradeable because some people trade consolidation and this price action is amazing for them. Just, I would say this price action probably not for ICT traders. But even some ICT traders can trade this, so. Yeah, I cannot just say for like it's bad price action because once again, lots of people who trade simply consolidation, like support and resistance, and we are gamblers. Let's go support and resistance, and that's okay to trade. Like what you need to do: sell high, buy low. That's it. And in consolidation, it works. So. In my trading experience, I never saw this kind of IM sessions. I'm not going to lie. For almost 4 years of trading, I never seen this. But market is changing, so need to adjust ourselves for these conditions. Don't blame market for your losses. So just adjust yourself for these conditions. Learn how to trade these conditions, or don't trade at all. That's why I'm spending my time right now on lots of backtesting, simply to understand how I can improve my trading inside consolidation. Trump market. Maybe. But I'm not going to blame market for my losses. So I was right for 2 weeks in a row, and I cannot blame market for this. Get the bottle. Time to drink. Oh, maybe you're right. Trend line breaks works. Bear or bull flag work. So if you see setup for, I mean, lots of retail traders trade simple stuff like bull flag, bear flag, trend line break, and it really works in these conditions. I finished the video, I finished presentation, so I'm going to post this probably this weekend. Just I don't like to talk about how bad this price action, because I cannot say like this price action is bad for everyone. Just don't want to say like, guys, this bad price action, don't trade this. It's going to be completely stupid, right? To say. CC traders as new retail. Oh, you're welcome. So I'm going to be probably done as well next 5 minutes. Will enjoy my weekend. So guys, highly recommend to spend your time on something more useful if you cannot see any setups in this consolidation. Spend your time on backtesting, reading books, something useful. So no reason to be in front of screen for hours to simply watch how candlesticks moves. Because you got lots of SMTs before. Oh, it's same idea with bias, so nothing is going to change. Nothing was changed. Yeah, I cannot say like algo changed, but definitely something changed. Or at least shifted, Nitishka, yeah. Yes, exactly. If IM session is consolidation, this means lunch probably will manipulate to drop during PM session. Exactly. But I'm working on changing my schedule to stream PM session only. Just need to adjust my schedule for this. I don't see any reason to stream IM session in this consolidation. It feels like wasting of time for me personally. I guess I'm just need to work on change my schedule for PM session streams only. That's going to be best decision, I guess so. Chasing reversal right now, yeah, I mean, I'm not chasing anything simply because gap is higher, simply because it's consolidation right now. Would like to wait for obvious breakout or something. I stopped predicting, honestly. So I do want to see lower, but I'm not going to predict. I don't know. It's consolidating right now. I need to see like be breaking below consolidation, low or high. Yeah, eventually we'll break this consolidation. The question how much time it's going to take to do this. Because once we can break below, we should go to this fair value gap. It was our initial plan. Probably it's going to be an end of stream setup. Once I'm going to finish, it's going to do what we were waiting for. Yeah, exactly. You got this. Just finish the stream and exactly. So how did you know this that I'm going to say exactly the same? Yes, end of stream setup, like model, works 100% of the time. Oh, that's a scam. See money, take money is my lesson today. Yeah. Because pretty sure once we can break, we will go right there. 820 level. Lots of drinks on my chart. That's annoying. That's 3-minute chart. On 3-minute chart, we're about to get order block, which will validate probably potential move lower, but nothing so far. Such amazing price action. Here we go. Never say here we go. Because every single time when you say this, it's trying to reverse again. Never ever say here we go if it did not drop yet. If it started like, okay, but never ever in your life say here we go, here it comes, something like this. It's not going to work eventually. It simply will take your stop loss. From personal experience, never ever do this in your life. Not go. We need magnets. I mean, still too early for magnets. We need to get 3-minute order block. This blue line, actually. Not here it comes either. Nothing is going on. So, okay, like original plan is to see if price can trap right there. That's it. That's it. Guys, we got 3-minute order block. First good sign. Guys, first good sign is there. My plan failed. I mean, everything failed so far. Yeah, we have SMT at highs, but not yet, not in. But I would say we got lots of SMTs today, which failed. Good luck with trading you too. So I'm about to be done for the day. Why? What time for first presented fair value gap? Can you please tell me? Probably. Let me see on my Ninja Trader. What time it was? Let me see. 9:35. Here we go. Why you said that? See, every single time when you said it, it's immediately trying to retrace again. Oh, then probably it was mistake. 9:33. Yeah, same one then. It's correct. I still said I can use, by the way, for a value gap at 9:30 a.m. Oops. It's okay, don't worry about it. I do like that we have 3-minute order block, but honestly, I don't trust anything anymore. Yeah. It's just simply consolidation. Of course, once I'm going to finish the Steam, it's going to be end of Steam setup. But guys, enjoy your weekend. So I'm not going to waste my time right now on this. I know it's just consolidation so far. Nothing is going on. Pretty sure if it wants to drop, it's already dropped. No risk, no. I mean, nothing to risk yet, honestly. Who said here we go? See? I told you. They do this for a reason. Stop saying this in the chat. Okay, guys, I'm going to enjoy my day. Not going to waste time. End of Steam setup probably will drop to this very value gap. Why? Because okay, guys, here we go. Thank you for supporting drop for fair value gap with your here we go. We will see. Monday is going to be bank holiday. I'm not going to Steam this. I will come back on Tuesday. All I know, I'm not going to waste my time right now on this. Guys, don't make stupid mistakes. Think twice before to enter the trade. If you're long, be careful. If you're short, be careful. I will see you on Tuesday. I wish you perfect holiday. Wish you perfect weekend. Enjoy this. Bye, guys.